Greetings all. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 48, and the topic for today is power of deep work. Deep work is a concept popularized by the author Cal Newport in his book Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World. There are multiple points from the book. Let me give you 3 quick points which can help you do the deep work. Point number 1 is set aside a time daily. For example, the recommended time period is 3 hours, and it can be in the early morning or in the late night based on your convenient. But if you feel 3 hours is too long, maybe you can start with 1 hour of deep work. That is, you are setting aside a time, say for 1 hour every day. It can be morning 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 or whatever time you want to choose, but set aside a time. That is point number 1. And second point number 2 is distraction free. When you set aside the time, you should not be distracted by anything. No mobiles, no email, not your friend or your family member coming and disturbing you. You are totally distraction free, and you are fully focusing on that particular deep work what you are doing. And the third tip I want to give is create an environment. So within your house, choose your room, choose your table, keep it clean and tidy, and have a particular environment which you are very comfortable and where you are able to focus very deeply. So friends, I tried this concept when I write my third and fourth book. I choose early mornings, and it was very productive and useful for me. So if you love this concept, read the book by Cal Newport, and let's leverage this power of deep work and excel in whatever we do. Thank you, and see you soon.